Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that gives you the lowdown on the best tech so you can make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a sky-high showdown between two drones that are ready to take your aerial photography to the next level. On the left, we have the featherweight champ, the DJI Mini 2 SE. And on the right, the slick, budget-friendly flyer, the Tammy's drone with camera for adults 4K. Buckle up, because this is going to be a turbulent ride. First up, let's talk price. The DJI Mini 2 SE will set you back a cool $279. Yep, that's right, folks. It's like buying a first-class ticket to the skies. Meanwhile, the Tammy's drone is a budget-friendly $99. At that price, you can afford to crash it a few times and still have money left over for a celebratory pizza. Now, let's dive into camera quality. The DJI Mini 2 SE is like that friend who always brings a DSLR to parties. It's got 4K resolution and the DJI Fly app for epic imaging. On the flip side, the Tammy's drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 110 degrees FOV lens. Plus, it has a bottom camera for those "look at me, I'm hovering" shots. Reviewers love the DJI for capturing incredible detail, especially in outdoor settings. But hey, let's be real. If you want to capture your dog's fur in crisp detail while they chase their tail, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your guy. Meanwhile, the Tammy's drone is praised for its multiple camera angles, but can struggle in windy conditions. In the portability department, the DJI Mini 2 SE is lighter than that last-minute excuse you gave for not going to the gym, less than 249 grams. It's perfect for hikes, road trips, and pretending you're a professional filmmaker. The Tammy's drone also weighs under 250 grams and even comes with a futuristic foldable design and a carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers appreciate the DJI's lightweight design for easy transportation, while Tammy's users love the foldable feature that makes it super convenient to carry around. Let's talk flight time. The DJI Mini 2 SE gives you a whopping 31 minutes per battery. That's enough time to film a short movie, take a nap, and still have time to bring it back home. And if you go for the combo, you get 2 extra batteries for a total of 93 minutes. Reviewers are thrilled with the DJI's extended battery life, calling it a game changer. The Tammy's drone, well, it doesn't quite match up, but still offers a decent flight time for its price. Reviewers note that while it lasts around 20 minutes per battery, it's still a good deal for the price. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're new to the drone game. The DJI Mini 2 SE is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function. It's like having a drone with training wheels. Reviewers appreciate how easy it is to get started with the DJI, even recommending it for adult beginners. The Tammy's drone also caters to newbies with one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode. Plus, it offers gravity control and 3D flips, making you feel like a drone pilot extraordinaire. Reviewers enjoy the Tammy's fun features, but caution, there's a bit of a learning curve. Wind resistance is another biggie. The DJI Mini 2 SE stands strong against winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. It's like the Chuck Norris of drones. Reviewers consistently praise its stability in windy conditions. The Tammy's drone, it's got 4 wind resistance levels, which is decent, but not quite Chuck Norris level. Reviewers mention it can be a bit tricky to control in stronger winds. Summarizing the reviews, the DJI Mini 2 SE is lauded for its professional camera quality, long battery life, and ease of use, making it a top choice for beginners and aerial photography enthusiasts alike. Reviewers do wish it came with more accessories out of the box. On the other hand, the Tommy's drone is praised for its affordability, durability, and fun features, although it has some limitations in wind resistance and battery life. Some users have faced issues with parts and customer support, but overall it's considered a great budget option. Alright folks, there you have it. The DJI Mini 2 SE might cost you a pretty penny, but it's packed with features that make it worth every cent. The DJI's drone, on the other hand, is a fantastic budget option that still delivers great performance and fun features. Which one should you buy? Well, if you've got the cash and want top-tier performance, go for the DJI Mini 2 SE. But if you're looking for a solid drone that won't break the bank, the Tommy's drone is your best bet. Either way, you'll be flying high. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying.